Hiya, in today's segment I'm just going to show you some everyday makeup that everybody can wear. It's not glam, it's not a specific style, it is just everyday wear for when you're doing the school run, whether you're going to work, just going to the shops, whatever you want to do. And as you can see, it is early morning for me. I look like crap, I've done no skincare yet, and so this is me looking awful. So first off, we're just going to quickly do skincare. I've already cleansed, so now I'm just going to use my Renewal Power Serum, my Dark Circle Corrector, and my new Hydra Pro Vita D Water Cream. Once that's done, we'll just carry on with the rest. Okay, I'm all lotioned and potioned. I like to leave it a little bit damp feeling, so the makeup actually sits a lot better. I'm going to go straight in with my Under Eye Brightening Illuminator. This is just the best concealer ever for these dark circles. I'll put a bit underneath and a bit on top. And I also use it for highlighting purposes on the nose, forehead and chin. And then I'll go in with my Avon True Powerstay 18-hour concealer. And this one goes on the sides of my nose here, because I have a lot of redness, and here too, to cover my other red parts. Now, I'm not a big liquid foundation fan, mainly because I've got open pores and it just feels very heavy on my skin, so I don't tend to wear it very often, only if I'm going on a night out and I'm really trying to glam it up. I'll just go in and blend in those lighter sections first with my Doobie Dabber. I can have a nice base for foundation without having to use a liquid, so I love concealer for that. And then I've got my Press to Impress. Can you see that? Press to Impress powder foundation, and then I just go on and it just helps finish it off. Give it that matte look, especially around my eyes, because my eyes are the worst. I don't sleep well. Between insomnia from my fibromyalgia or my 4-year-old son who still hasn't figured out that just because he wakes up in the night doesn't mean it's morning. Terror. He'll wake up at like 1 o'clock in the morning, and because he's awake, he thinks everybody else should be up as well. Right, now for eyeshadow, all I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Pearlesque palette, and I'm just going to use this one here. I'm just going to dab it on a blender brush, and I'm just going to go over the lid. Not too much, and then into the corner and down and round. And this gives just a little bit of sparkle, not glitter, but just a little bit of something to wake our eyes up and to make them pop. And then I just go back for like a nice base colour, a nice beige, something like that, browny beige. And I go in just on the corner and then into the crease. You only need a little bit, because we're not trying to make a statement, we're just building a nice tone for our eyes. And that is it. That is all we need, because this is just day to day running around doing our stuffs. Now for eyebrows, I'm going to go with my Browpomade. Why is this really? It's not focusing well, is it? No. There you go. Browpomade. Let's open that up. Get my little brush. Keep doing this. Shape your brows. And we're just going to get through and from the middle to the tip. And then down like that. And then round to the edges. And the other side. Okay, so that's eyebrows done. Next we need blush, and I'm going to use my Oso Tokyo blush and highlighter. Just going to dab some of the pink on. Don't want too much, just enough to give my face a bit of shape. Underneath, I'm going to do just either side of my nose, and then I do a bit of an arch over the forehead. And then we highlight, I use the fan brush, this one. And we highlight just over the cheekbones, nose and forehead. And then I'll get my little dippy chin. I've got like one of them bum chins. Is it called a cleft? A cleft in my chin? I think that's what it's called anyway. Blend it in a bit. Right, then we've got mascara, and I'm using, of course, my Unlimited Drama because it is the best ever. I will say, if you're using Unlimited Drama, you must wash it off, because I fell asleep the other day without washing my makeup off, and the fibres, because any mascara that adds length and volume will have little fibres in it. These little fibres will come off and they'll get in your eye, and it doesn't hurt, it doesn't cause any problems really, unless you've got sensitive eyes, but it's not nice to pull out fibres of your eye. So make sure it's washed off before you go to bed. I mean, with this one as well, it sounds absolutely ridiculous, but once it's dried, you can actually just pick it off. It'll last all day long, but as soon as you want it off, it'll wash off nicely, or you can literally just sit there and pick it off. It's madness. It's like you're pulling off the cover of your eyelashes. That's mascara done. Pretty eyelashes. Right, now all that's left to do is lips. Now for every day today, I do sometimes wear bold colours, or sometimes wear like a purpley or a red, or depends on my mood, if I'm feeling a bit glam that day, or what wig I've got on, because as you may have noticed by now, I wear wigs quite a lot. So today's wig is, this one's my Barbie wig. It's very much like Barbie hair. Doesn't look very nice when you see it like that, but it looks cool when it's on. Right, so back to lips. All I'm going to do today is a nude. I'm not doing anything super schmoopy. Don't know why that came out that way, but it did. So just a nude lip liner all across that, and I love a lip liner. It can help you lie about how thick your lips are. And following the nude one, as I can't see it very well. I am a glasses wearer, so I can't see what I'm doing very well without glasses. I need to invest in contacts. I keep forgetting though. Right, so this one is my Rejuvenating Nude, and this is the Serum lipstick, and it's fab. It's got loads of lovely stuffs in it, and it will repair anybody's dry, cracked or broken lips within a week. And my lips, with this crappy November weather, have started to feel a bit shitty, so out comes the Serum lipstick, and I promise you they'll be brilliant within a couple of days. And not only are they healthier, but they're plumper. I don't know why, but it just puts something in it. Just gonna blend that in a little bit. And then lastly, I'm going to add my clear Plump It lip gloss, because again, I like to have nice plump lips, and I especially like to put it on my top lip, because my top lip is one of those that disappears. You know when you smile? It goes. It disappears. But no, I don't like smiling. I'm going to hide from that. So I do like this one. Because it does work. I mean, you can see, you can feel the tingle. And you can see it's already starting to plump out. I bought the clear. I mean, I've got the mauve and I've got the pinky colour one as well. But I love the clear because I can put it over every lipstick I own. So that's why it's fab. But I do need to clean off my brush. And I've got no tissue. Why have I got no tissue? I've always got tissue. Don't know. Right, so that is our everyday look, and it's took what? About 10 minutes to do. Just all it is a bit of concealer, powder, blusher, mascara, lips. And that's it. And now I'm going to put my wiggy wig on and I will be ready for the day. So that is everyday makeup done in about 10 minutes. Slap on a wig, away we go. We go from Mombi to a little bit of a less tired Mombi. Bye.